In this tutorial you will learn how to create Quant1 methods in Touch 7 and later. To create a Quant1 quantification method, you need several spectra with known concentrations. These concentrations should cover at least the range in which you intend to perform your quantification later. In our example, we will take the isopropanol-ethanol mixture spectra that are part of the demo data files from the Touch archive. To create a new method, click on the Quant Method Builder button in the Advanced section of the home screen. Then click on the Create a New Method button. You are then asked to enter the name and the unit of the first compound. Type in isopropanol as the name and percentage as the unit. Then click on the Add button. Now we have to load the reference spectra into the table. We will add the spectra of the second example from the demo data folder that has mixture spectra of isopropanol and ethanol with different concentrations. To load the complete folder, click on the Add Folder button on the right side of the screen. Then navigate to the folder and click OK. Now we have to enter the concentration values into the table. Click on the respective entries and enter the values for isopropanol for all of the spectra. Now we have to define the integration parameters for isopropanol. Always make sure to select the band that can be attributed exclusively to the substance to be quantified, ideally without overlap from other components. Open all the spectra in the Spectra viewer in order to get an overview over suitable bands. In our case, we choose the band at 950 wave numbers, which is a strong band without overlap. To define the integration method, click on the Integration tab on the left side. You can then define the parameters. On top you can select the integration method. In most cases, method B is the best solution. Then we have to select the spectral range. You can either type in fixed values in the respective fields, or you can use the interactive mode. The interactive mode will show the selected spectrum from the spectra list, so make sure to select a spectrum where your analyte has a high enough concentration. For isopropanol, we select the band around 950 wave numbers as the integration area. Move the markers to the outer boundaries of the band, then click on Back to go back to the integration settings. When everything is set, you can click on the Calibrate button. You can now see the fit versus true plot, where the calculated values are plotted against the real values. Ideally, the individual points should lie on a straight line. Significant outliers may be due to measurement errors or poor standards. These can be removed from the table using the delete function. Below you can see the correlation coefficient, which is very close to the ideal value of 1, as well as the calibration formula. You can click on the Report button on the left side to view the calibration report with additional information. With the plus button on top you can add another component. We will do this now for ethanol by using the band around 880 wave numbers. Again, we have to enter a name and a unit, and then the individual concentration values. Now define the integration area and perform the calculation. You can see that the procedure was basically the same as with the first component. You can now save the method by using the Save As button on top of the screen and save the method into the methods Quant archive folder. Now you know how to create Quant1 methods in Touch.